back to the channel, lovelies and friends, and we have Marcia on today. Now, Marcia is talking about her receipt. She's saying that she's still paying rent, even though she's leaving. She's still paying her rent, and so she's showing Ashanti, basically, her receipt and everyone to see that, listen, I'm still paying my rent, so I'm not living for free. So there you have it. Go check out the video, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel as usual, and have yourselves a wonderful one.
The man over, the squatters boy say, me no pay rent. Squatters boy, see me receipt ya. See me receipt ya. Me go post office. Yes, me dear. See the envelope there. See the envelope there with Woodland Village, right? Yes, so. See it there? See me money here. Yes, see me money here. See me money here. See me money right there, so. See me money right there. So now me I talk to. So me not living here free. You understand? I am not living in here free. Me go to post office today. Go mail off my things them. You understand? And go get my things. So and me I talk to. Me not living here free. Today is the 10th of October. Today is the 10th. Today is the 10th of October. So when you come on social media chat, oh, the camera. So make sure, me tell you, make sure, say me show on the planka people, I want to squatters boy people. The 10th of October, 3:33 p.m. See there? 9:50, see there? And me pay for me envelope and me something them right there. You understand? So my money order ya, United Post and not see there? See it right there, so? See it right there, so? See it right there. 950. It's supposed to be a 945. Me just pay 950 right there, so. See it right there? You understand? So me not in here. Me not in here free. As what you say. See post office receipt there. So they can't take it. Me not in here free. Until me come out of here. Me pay my rent said way. See the envelope there? Stamp and ready to go. So me not in here free. So when you cuss, when you're cursing me, and me a curse. Not me a cursing, honey, or somebody else. You understand? Not me a cursing. Yep. Right there. So me just show you. So now me a cursing. Not me. You understand? My evidence is right there. And ship off. So when you're over there talk, say me I live free. Not me, honey. I am paying until the last day I leave out of this house. I pay for it. You understand? Until I leave out of this motherfucking place. I pay. I'm not like you. So take this and show it to your motherfucking people. I'll make sure me screen record it. Me screenshot it. Them people are still a keep up this for Korea. But now we are talking from me I talk. From me talking to? From me want to know me I talk to. You understand? So him a live free. Me not live free. Me have to pay my rent. See me. So up until the last day I come out here, I pay for this rascal. Just like everybody else, I see the post office line long today because the post office was closed yesterday. So me, not live free in here. Me not owe them no money. United City pay every cent back payment from the time when me apply. And it take a little while up until when I leave and them get it and whatever me who when the court case was over, I paid for it myself. You understand? Up until when them get paid, they get paid off. So me, I left here, me no owe them 1 cent. Until it months them, when the court case was over, I paid for those until I get out of here. So none of una dirty blood clot can come on social media and tell me say me owe nobody nothing. Because me not owe them nothing. You understand? Me not owe nobody nothing. Me not owe Woodland Village 1 blood clot nothing. They get all their money. You understand? Me have 15,000 to spend and me spend out every ras. And the remaining balance was 6,700. Me get that to put on where I'm moving to. Me no owe them 1 blood clot. And if me hear about anything else, me I sign up for that pussy clot. Welcome to America. You understand? So nobody come past social media and feel like say uno can flap me. You understand? Nobody feel that. Enough people around and I pay that. Me I pay higher than a lot of people. You understand? I'm paying a lot. Some of them I pay 8 something. But some me not get nothing from the government. You come for your program and tell people say and tell people say me a government I pay a certain amount and me I pay 200. Me, government not help me pay nothing more than United City from the previous. So me leaving out of here paid in blood clot full. So no recognize. And people around the world and people at Jamaica, America is not a bed of roses. So when you hear them talk about you live America long, you live America, but you're surviving. You're surviving America harder than Jamaica in some sort of way. Yes, we have our little, this whatever, but me I tell you said, as a single person, it is very hard. As a single person without a good profession, it is very hard. You understand? $900 is very hard to come up with, especially if you're not making money, certain amount of money for a single person. Some people who live in their house, their man can't come up with that by themselves. Yes, my dear, anytime I get something, the kitchen have to be nice because I start my cooking show. So, me can't tell them that. And me, because I want me a quote on dash proof show no. So now me them a talk to. When you hear them a talk. So when me left in out a year, me left in out a year paid in full. Me not owe them nothing. Them get all their money from United City and whatever I paid it. It is very hard working. All the people that we do home care job, trust me, if they're not going to want like a part, and plus me a drop partner, me a pay car insurance, me a push bill, gas bill, light bill, telephone bill, food bill. You know how much bill me have? Eh? You know how much bill me have? For a single woman by yourself? Come on. For a single woman by yourself. Me is a proud black woman. No lucky when I can't talk about house. Me no want no house. When me win a lotto, me buy a house. When me win the $1 billion, I will surely buy a house. I buy many houses. One for Romy and his mother. I would have buy a house for Romy and his mother. Yes. Yes, I would buy a house for Romy and his mother. Yes, for living. Yes, I would buy a house for Romy and his mother. A nice house for Romy and his mother. Just to make sure my grandparents is alright. Put on him money for in college education and stuff. Yes, my dear. All she would have get one little house in my mother. And CJ get one himself. No, and that is it. Them luckier than me. Mosquito fly up on the window. Let me nearly feed the window open. So them luckier than me. So una now come on social media Come spread no rumor upon me. I expect me not answer what I can show proof. You gone bad already. Everybody knows some love to show proof. That's why I know some not like. One of you listen to me when time me talk. You understand? So, me now come out here. Me I put up my little laptop number. Cause me I buy back them same number here Friday. And so more put penny. I think Friday me I try with $40. Me sorry. A $50 worth of laptop ticket me I buy Friday. Me sorry, $50. $50 worth of laptop ticket me I buy Friday. Me sorry. Me I sow any seed me have right near laptop. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen. Remember, me put it right up or so. Remember, say we are asking help for a young lady that needed take out this rotted wig here. We are asked for your help with a young lady that needed our help to go back to work. She need to buy a pair of shoes, 2 polo shirts and get her police record. She's working for a hotel and she get hired. She applied for a hotel and she get hired. One person sent $50 this evening. Is there somebody else can put another $50 and somebody put another $20 so we can send or give her so she could get the shoes? Because I remember, you know, I work she get. And she have to make sure she keep her work because we can't help her no more, prior. So, miss. So, is there anybody out here would like to put out a $50 and then give her a little bit more for the police record? She want 2 polo shirts. She have to wear a polo shirt. And she's supposed to start the work Thursday. Tomorrow, I think tomorrow or so. She said, but she would like to get a pair of shoes. You understand? Maybe her shoes not working properly. You know, mashed down since she didn't work for a long time. So, it's the same girl that we had given the money to buy the food. And she was waiting. So I chose she not actually. She was waiting on the job to come through. She filled out applications and stuff like that. And stuff like that. Yes. So, me like the wig. Yeah. It's everyone me go people tell me, oh my gosh, this wig is so pretty on you. Is that your hair? Me don't know people ask what if this is my hair. Then we send me Ross here. But then you can't tell. So is there anybody would like to sow a seed in the girl life to get her the 2 polo shirt? I collect $50. Somebody send, one person send $50. One person send $50. Everybody who order sheets and quill from me, please give me a call in WhatsApp, please. I am going to market and I want to make sure that me get everybody order because some of the orders are very confusing. And as I confusing, if you get what if some of the order mean confusing, I know when I say boys, you know want this a color for boys, me have to make sure. So all of you know where order something, please give me a call before I go. Me have to drive go pick them up myself. I want to go on fire. Can I see your man?